So if you're looking for a lovely luxury home at an affordable price, then we have got the solution for you. Look at the great mixed media between the brick, stone, and shake at the top. There's wonderful detail on this home on Blakeslee Drive. You've got cedar shutters. This home has got a terrific curb appeal. So let's go on inside and see what this home has to offer for the next family. So stepping inside, you will be struck by the two-story great room. Oh, beautiful space here. Lovely hardwood floors. Upon entering, it has lots of versatility. This is a terrific home office with a double tray ceiling. It could be a formal dining room, or a formal sitting room, I should say. It's got French doors to close it off. To the right is a beautiful dining room, large enough to host family gatherings. Stepping forward once again is this two-story great room. And look, they even left the fireplace on for us. Not to mention, this fireplace is two-sided between the great room and the keeping room. Now, you've got a large backyard, and we'll check that out in just a moment, but this is my favorite space in the home. The kitchen, which opens to this oversized keeping room. We're just going to start here on the left and pan. Check out this space. Lovely moldings. Dining area. Cook's Dream kitchen with a downdraft cooktop, stainless appliances. You've got the double ovens built in, plus a pantry. Now, through this door is a double car, oversized garage, room for your largest SUVs. And out back, we're going to take just a quick look because outdoor living space is so important to all of us today. We'll just undo this one. And check out our back door space. Can't you see yourself enjoying time with family and friends on this screened porch? Large deck in this lovely yard with many opportunities to enjoy quiet living right here in Soddy. So let's see what else this nice home has to offer. I just want to give you another perspective. Look at all this cabinetry and storage in this kitchen, complete with this butler's pantry. That's what was behind me you didn't see before. Great serving space, and to show all of your pretty glassware. Now, also on this level, oh, did I mention the fireplace? Two-sided. I've got an really oversized laundry room. Then we head this way. We've got a public half bath for guests with a pretty pedestal, or footed, I should say, sink, faux finishing on the wall. The main floor master is oversized, and again, double tray ceiling, and it's large enough for a sitting area. Now, the master bath is all you would expect with your double vanity sink. Story and a half ceiling, water closet, and through that second door is a huge walk-in closet, jetted tub, and a tiled walk-in shower. Wow, and that's just the first floor. Let's head upstairs because there is tons of room up here for kids to expand, guests to stay. Yep. We'll give you another perspective to this nice, great room. Again, lovely hardwood floors. Now we get to the top of the stairs, and we first have bedroom number 1. And it has a Jack and Jill bath set up here. And in the second or adjoining bedroom with a closet is a huge space. Be an awesome bonus room if you didn't need the bedroom, or you may use this section for a bedroom and this section for a bonus game room. There's one more bedroom upstairs, and it has also got its own private ensuite, so lots of space to spread out. I'm about to show my age here because I'm going to dart down these stairs. Let's see if I can make it without getting winded. And guess where else we have? We have basement space. That's right, even more room for your family to spread out. We'll head down these stairs.